Hey, what's up, Hunter? It's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating Hargrove Roofing. If you type in roofing Shreveport, these guys show up right on the top. I'm going to show you exactly how easy it would be to copy them and then beat them. I know you're probably asking why I would even make this video for you. I just found out a little while ago there's lots of exterior remodelers that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I just started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free, and most people just take this information and do it themselves, which is awesome. Some people say, you know what, Devin, I like you, I just don't have the time to do this. Can you do this for me? And that's cool too. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. Sorry, I fixed my mic. My only goal is just to educate you and help you make some money. Make a lot of money, really. And so the tips I'm going to go over today are going to be content, backlinks, and citations. But I wanted to say, though, when I was looking through your website, you've got a really clean-looking website here. I love the fonts you chose. It's really, really modern, nice color scheme, nice, unique logo, and nice images you chose as well. This is a great website from a design point of view. Now, what Google mostly cares about when it comes to ranking is content, which is all the stuff that you can read and you can highlight here. Now, the average website on the front page of Google has 1,500 words of content, so that's kind of where you want to be if you want to be considered an authority. You're currently at 301 words of content. That's a great start. If you want to see where Hargrove Roofing is at, these guys are sitting at 2,302, so they're at quite a bit. And so, with that many keywords, 2,002. And so with that many words, you're probably going to want to put more content than them. You're probably going to want to put like 2,250 to 2,500 words. But another benefit of having that many words is it allows you more room to fit in what's called buyer intent keywords. A buyer intent keyword is just a phrase that somebody commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. So I actually pulled up a couple for you right here. Feel free to use these. Just pause this video and take these whenever you're ready after you're done with this. Roofing Shreveport, for example, 100 people search this every month. Roofing company Shreveport, 90 people search this every month. Shreveport Roof Company, 70 people search this every month. So imagine if you're number 1 for these 3 keywords, you would be number 1 in front of, these 3 right here. You would be number 1 in front of 260 people every single month. So you want to make sure that you have, who are looking to purchase roofing in Shreveport. So you want to make sure you take these keywords and you search for them inside, or you put them inside of your content. And as I'm searching up here, you can see you don't have it anywhere, and you don't have these keywords anywhere in your content. So just make sure that you're putting these keywords inside of your content, and also make sure you save your images as keywords too. So where it says home remodeling, instead of big stock freshly updated white and gray, you can call this roofing Shreveport or home remodeling Shreveport or something like that. So that's my first tip regarding content. My next tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google is kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for your website. Like I said, though, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. So you're going to get a lot more power if you have other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool you use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't need to use it. Just Google backlink checker. You can see the same information for free. It says you currently have 7 websites linking to you, so that's a great start. Great job. Hargrove Roofing has 64 websites linking to them. Now, they've done all the hard work for you, because if these 64 websites are good enough to rank Hargrove, they're going to be good enough to rank you too. So I would just copy them. I'd go one by one to each of the exact same websites, just like they did, and put a link on each website back to my own the same way they did. And a lot of times it's really easy, like, Home Advisor, Angie, Expertise, Yellow Pages. You just get on these websites and you hit like join our pro network, get listed, sign up. You create a free profile, you put a link in your profile back to your website, and that simply you've got a backlink. So it's really easy to do. It just takes some time, but once you beat or copy their backlinks and you beat them in content, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically here. But I still got one more tip for you, and that's how to show up in the map section here. If you want to be number 1 in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, your address, and your phone number inside of a directory, which is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, like Yext, Yelp, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. So if I were in your shoes, I would figure out what directories Hargrove Roofing and Construction was in. I put myself in the same ones and then add a bunch on top. If Hargrove Roofing and Construction was in like 150 directories, I put myself in like 300. But that is all I have for you, Hunter. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep this short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words of content on this homepage with keywords inside of that content. And feel free to just pause this video and take these keywords and put them inside of your content. Then take the websites linking to Hargrove Roofing and get them linking back to yourself, and put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in Hargrove Roofing. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become #1 across the entire front page of Google. Now, I know you're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route. It's what many people do. The less time you wait to get started, the less catching up you're going to have to do. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting this done, give me a call at 972-736-8808, and I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. But it was great to speak to you on the phone earlier, Hunter. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope you have an awesome week. I'll see you later.